From startups to global enterprises, Salesforce has become one of the world's most trusted platforms for managing customer relationships and driving success. And since it's highly customizable, what we'll cover here is a generic overview. While features like global search, profile, and the app launcher are fairly consistent, every Salesforce instance is unique. So be ready to learn the specific layout of the company or team you join and adapt as necessary. If you're new to Salesforce, or even recently adjusting to using the system, think of it like Excel. Objects are like sheets holding categories of data like accounts, opportunities, contacts, and cases. Records are like rows, representing individual entries unique to each object. And fields are like columns, storing specific data points like names or dates. You may even notice areas in Salesforce that look very similar to an Excel spreadsheet, such as a list view when opening an object like accounts. Understanding this structure helps make it easier to navigate Salesforce and find the data you need. Now let's move to the App Launcher, your gateway to Salesforce apps. Like the operating system on your phone, it powers different apps for areas like sales, service, or marketing. The name of the app you're in appears next to the App Launcher, so it's easy to confirm you're in the right spot. Next, let's review two common navigation styles you may encounter in Salesforce. Standard navigation, which opens records in their own tab, ideal for one task at a time users. And console navigation, which supports multitasking. You can even open related records as subtabs under the primary record. This is great for managing complex workflows and keeping your workspace clean. At the top of pretty much all Salesforce instances is Global Search, powered by custom AI software called Einstein. It previews the top 5 results for your query and can show pop-up list views of related fields. Einstein learns from your previous searches, making future results more accurate and relevant. In the preview pane, watch for icons like the crown for opportunities that indicate the object where the record can be found. Global Search also provides an expanded results screen when you hit the Enter key. Global Actions allow you to quickly create records, log calls, or send emails. Some companies rely on them heavily, while others may simplify their business processes and limit their use. And don't forget notifications, located in the top right. These keep you updated on approvals, tasks, and other key changes in real time. And then there's your profile, where you update your details and adjust personal settings. You can access the profile page by clicking on your name or this icon. Think of it as your professional snapshot. Open your profile settings here to personalize time zones, languages, and notifications, tailoring Salesforce to your needs. Finally, check out the utility bar at the bottom of some Salesforce apps. It provides shortcuts to tools like history and your to-do list. Not all companies use it, but if it's available, it's worth exploring. And that's Salesforce Basics. From objects and records to navigation and customization, you're ready to explore this powerful platform. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe to my channel for future reviews of additional Salesforce features and more. For professional voiceover and videos, or to explore additional instructional content, visit my website at xaviercarrigan.com.